Welcome back to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today, dancehall recording artist O'Keefe Aarons, popularly known as Laden, remanded in custody as it relates to gun-related charges. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. If it's the first time you're watching, this is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. So coming up on the scoop for today, Laden remanded in custody on gun-related charges. So as you know, the dancehall entertainer was arrested last week on a gun-related charge after a police party stopped the vehicle in which the dancehall entertainer was being transported in. It is said that the police, on reaching a section of the road, or was in chase of the vehicle, I should say, saw an object being thrown from the vehicle, and a subsequent search of the area revealed that it was a firearm that was thrown from the car, and the dancehall entertainer was taken into custody and allegedly charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Two other individuals were also in the company of the dancehall star, and they were also taken into custody. So the entertainer went to court this week and he was not granted bail. However, the other two occupants of the motor vehicle that were traveling with the dancehall entertainer, they were granted bail in the sum of $500,000. So let me bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to this on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So the dancehall entertainer will remain in police custody for the next couple of days, as he was remanded in custody when he appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. The DJ, who was in lockup from last week Wednesday, is facing charges of illegal possession of firearm, as I said before, and also ammunition for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act and failing to stop at the request of the police as well. The other two individuals, who goes by the name Sian Ebanks and a 16-year-old who is a minor, so he can't be named, were granted $500,000 bail as well. So the lawyer representing the dancehall star said that they're keeping a positive outlook and that the investigating officer has sent the firearm to Kingston for a ballistic testing to see whether or not it had been used in the commission of any crime on record, and that can take up to 2 to 3 weeks, the attorney said. So we're just hoping that this firearm is clean and that it was not involved in any criminal activities, because if it is that this firearm was involved in any criminal activities, then the dancehall entertainer might be charged with those criminal offense. So we're just hoping for the best for dancehall entertainer Laden, and it's very sad to see that he has gotten himself caught in such a situation, because as you know, Laden has been one of those dancehall figures that has been on the scene for some time now, from his venture into the digital rising star and then becoming a recording artist as well. And he had a hit song some years ago, Time to Shine, which did very well. So it's very sad to see that this situation occurred to the dancehall entertainer, and I'm just wishing that his fans out there now just give him that level of support that he needs. And it's just one of those situations that is just very sad right now, and we hope that he's just having that level of support, even though he has been falling victim to this right now. And I'm telling you, it's one that really needs to be looked into, and it's very sad because we don't want to see so much of our dancehall entertainers behind bars. We have Vibes Cartel behind there already. We have Ninja Man, two of one of the greatest stars to date, and they are behind bar based on gun related issues and charges stemming from those activities. So we really don't want to see another behind bars right now. So we are just hoping that he will be freed from this, and not that say that with this situation, these are timeless situation, and we want to see him free from this situation, and we're just hoping that the firearm, when it is sent to Kingston for the ballistic testing, that it wasn't involved in any criminal activities, because this is where now the situation could get really serious for the recording star. And we just want to wish him all the best with his court case, and hopefully the weapon was a clean one, and that his family, his friends, and also his fans just continue to support him during this difficult time. And it's very sad though to see what transpired with him. However, we believe that he might be off this one, or he might granted bail in his next court appearance, hopefully. So big up all the massive from St. Elizabeth Junction, to be exact, and those that would have been around dancehall entertainer Laden at this time. But we just hope that these entertainers just try to find the right thing to do, and just try not to get yourself involved in this situation, because I believe that when you do get yourself involved in this situation, the judge are going to be very hard on you, based on the fact that you are public role models and people look up to you. So you just have to try your best to avoid being caught in certain situations such as these. So big up yourself, O'Keefe Aarons, popularly known as Lad. Much respect goes out to you, and it's very sad to see that you have gotten yourself caught in this situation, but hopefully you can pull through it, and then you will be out and about once more and giving us some wonderful music. But it's very sad though to see that he has gotten himself caught in a situation such as this as a recording entertainer. All right, we're out for this one now. Links WSM TV, Celebrity Scoop, and I'm out again. Peace out. Links TV, bless. Please remember, subscribe to the channel. What are you doing? You, I'm talking. Click the notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos over here. All right, out. Peace.